So what is SEO? Here, this is my website. I have created a page for you guys to have access to all the information that we are going to talk about in this course. There are all the links that you need exist here, all the tools, all the information. And together we are gonna take a look at these and go very deep in them and practice and learn them. All right. So what is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. And it is the process of getting traffic from free, organic, editorial, or natural search results on search engines. First of all, we have many different search engines. The major ones are Google, Bing, and Yahoo. And what we are trying to do, we are trying to create our website, create our web page, a way that rank higher in these search engines. All right. So before we start our course here, before we go very deep in each of the steps that we need to talk about, here I have created a checklist, a 21-step SEO checklist for you. So you can easily just in this website, come here, come down and click on download SEO checklist. And it will open a Google Sheet. You have access to all the steps here. These are the 21 steps. And after that, I have created another thing that I suggest different tools, different useful tools for SEO that you can come here. The links are available and you can use them. But first of all, when you come here, before doing anything, because you cannot edit this Google Sheet, you can just view them. Just come on File, click and come down here, make a copy. Okay, click on Make a Copy, change the name as you like, and this is your copy and you can edit it any way you want it. All right, so we will get to this checklist. You can just come here and download it from this web page that I have created for you. So in this course, we are going to have 3 major steps. The first one here is keyword research. All right, as I said before, SEO may look a bit confusing and may look a bit difficult, but it is not. All right, our first step is keyword research. Then we are going to talk about building our web page with SEO structures. And finally, we are going after different channels to drive traffic to our web page. SEO only has these 3 major steps, and we are gonna go through each of these and practice them together, right? So that was all for this lecture. On the next part, I want to introduce a very interesting and useful tool for SEO. So let's go for the next one.